Another fresh arrival is this 2008 Ford Taurus four-door sedan. It's the limited version. It's called Dune Pearl Metallic with the cream leather interior with only 30,000 miles. Now the new Taurus is an updated 500 with a new 263 horsepower 3.5 liter V6 engine. With over 500 engineering changes from the 2007 500, the Taurus is quieter, faster, and safer. And the features include standard advanced track electronic stability control and factory installed Sirius satellite radio. The 2008 Ford Taurus replaces the 500 in the lineup for 2008. So 2008 Ford Taurus Limited with just 30,000 miles. S&E Auto Sales price just $15,995. I've never seen this color combination on a 2007 Nissan Maxima. It's quite attractive. It's called a Majestic Blue Metallic, so it's a navy blue on the black leather interior. It's a great combination. It only has 29,000 miles. It's an 07 Nissan Maxima 3.5 SE. Now the 2007 Nissan Maxima gets a facelift with a new grille, new hood, front and rear bumper, new headlights, and it's got a more prominent spoiler in the back. Redesigned dual tailpipe finishes and 18-inch 7-spoke aluminum alloy wheels. This vehicle comes equipped with an automatic climate control, side airbags, power glass sunroof, heated leather seats. It's a one-owner, right from Nissan Motor Credit. Clean Carfax report. It's got a Bose 6-disc CD changer, driver memory seats and Bluetooth, telescopic steering wheel, and power folding mirrors. So an 07 Nissan Maxima SE with just 29,000 miles. S&E Auto Sales price. I want you to go to a Nissan dealer and price this vehicle out. I guarantee it'll be $2,000 less than a dealer. S&E Auto Sales price just $20,995. Take advantage of that great savings and give me a call. My name's Kevin. If you're looking for the BMW X5, it's probably the nicest one you're going to find. Here's a 2006 BMW X5 full all-wheel drive 3.0i. It's called Black Sapphire Metallic on the tan leather interior. It only has 32,000 miles. Now, it's got 4 brand new tires. It's just been safety checked. One owner, great condition. Again, 3.0 6-cylinder all-wheel drive model. Black on tan leather, power glass panoramic sunroof, side curtain airbag, stereo controls on the steering wheel, keyless entry, dual zone climate control, premium alloy wheels, power front seats, driver's side memory seat, and the remaining of the factory BMW factory warranty, which is 4 years of 50,000 miles. So an 06 BMW X5 3.0i with just 32,000 miles, $3,000 under Kelley Blue Book, just $28,995. Give us a call here at 781-337-5025. Wheel drive, it's the S model. It's called on the outside Avalanche White with the charcoal cloth interior. It only has 38,000 miles. It's got a clean Carfax report. All recommended services have been completed. Very clean and well cared for. New body style. It's got the 3rd row seat, so you get the 7-passenger seating. Remote keyless entry, CD player, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, cruise control, tilt wheel, and you'll receive the remaining Nissan factory warranty, which is, I believe, on the powertrain, 5 years of 60,000 miles, 3-year 36,000 miles, bumper to bumper. So fresh arrival. Hasn't been cleaned yet. I've seen our reconditioning shop, and I'm sure it's going to come out brand new. 07 with just 38,000 miles. S&E Auto Sales price for Car Time viewers only, just $19,995. If you're looking for that sporty vehicle for an all-wheel drive vehicle, consider this next car. It's the 2007 Infiniti M35X, which is the all-wheel drive. It's diamond graphite metallic on the black leather interior. It only has 26,000 miles. What I like about the Infiniti is their warranty. 4 years or 60,000 miles bumper to bumper, 6 years, 70,000 miles on the powertrain. This particular vehicle happens to have the technology package. And what's the technology package include? Well, it gives you the factory navigation, the backup cameras, the heated and cooled leather seats, power sunroof, 6-disc Bose sound system, power driver and passenger seats, memory seats. It's got the stability and traction control. It's got the power telescopic steering wheel, and for safety, it even has the side curtain airbags. It's got the automatic climate control, Bluetooth, Tiptronic transmission, premium wheel package. And for the 07, it has that fast passkey entry system, which just gives you the push-button start. Premium wheels, and it's in great condition. Again, low miles, just 26,000 miles. And again, the great warranty from Infiniti, which is 4 years of 60,000 miles, bumper to bumper. S&E Auto Sales price for Car Time viewers only for this 2007 Infiniti M35X, just $28,995. Give us a call here at 1-888-843-5529. My name's Kevin, and I'm standing by the phone.